I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark. Yeah, I can carry all that you've got.
Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning, a little bit of decorating in the living room, and spending some time with my granddaughter who spent the night with me on Saturday night. So you'll see her in this video. We did a little cleaning together and then we made waffles together. I'm also going to be sharing a recipe for a chicken casserole. This is one that, my goodness, I've had this recipe forever. My mom even used to make this when I was young, so I'll share that with you in today's video. But for now, let's get things started. Now that we got the blinds open, let some sunshine in. It was a beautiful day, and we're gonna get started in the living room. It felt really good to start taking down all the winter decor. The weather was nice, and it's getting warmer here in Georgia. I don't know about where you are, if it's getting warmer. If it is, let me know down in the comments. But I was super excited just to start cleaning the mantle up and washing things down and getting out a little bit of spring decor. I have some Easter decor that I'm going to be putting up, and I don't have very much, but I did buy a few things over the last couple weeks, so the living room is probably the main area that I'll be decorating anything for Easter. But I'm also going to be taking down this mirror. It's a little small for up there, kind of looks funny looking at it now, but I have one that's a little bit larger that I'm going to put up there for now, at least until we decide what we're going to do in this room. My husband's been talking about taking a couple rows of the stone out of the fireplace and dropping the mantle down so that we can hang the TV up there. But I haven't decided yet if that's what we're going to do. But for now, I'll just go ahead and put on some music so you can listen to it, and we'll just keep cleaning.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. My way. was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Now that breakfast is done, we're going to move into the living room and start decorating the mantel. So you're about to see me make a big mistake when I was hanging the garland. So anyway, I'll let you enjoy that. Okay. So what had happened was the garland was too long, so I kind of tied it around the little clip I had up there, and I went and got the scissors and thought, well, I'll cut it off and tie it. Of course, when I cut it, it just split and the beads went everywhere. So the cats had a ball with that, so I had to get them all picked up because I wouldn't want them to choke on it. But yeah, so anyway, it was a little funny moment. But anyway, I'm decorating the mantel and struggling, you'll see, and what I end up doing here isn't how it ends up in the end, but hopefully I think the way it ended up in the end looks good. I just have to work with what I have. So I don't think I show you everything that I move around, but I'll do an after shot so you'll see how it ended up in the end. We're getting ready to finish up on the mantel, and then I'm going to clean up the living room, and then I'll show you. I think I show you then, or maybe I'd go to dinner and then show you at the end.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light, be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be your light, be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light, be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. I ain't afraid of the dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go.
Okay, so let's start making dinner now. I took some chicken tenders and I'm just frying those up first. This is of course way too much for what I'm fixing, but it'll give us dinner for the next night too. So I seasoned them one side with the blend and then the other side with the grilled chicken. And I'll link this recipe down below, or I'll put it in the description. So I'm also going to be boiling some extra wide egg noodles. So right now I just have some chicken broth, bringing it to a boil so I can put those in. And then in this bowl I'm going to mix a can of cream of chicken soup, some sour cream, and a Lipton onion soup mix. I'll show you the box here. I use this for a lot of stuff, so I'm going to put that in as well. And I'll mix all of that together, and then when the chicken is done, you just cut it up in cube-sized pieces and add that to it, mix that all together, and then I'll put it in the baking dish, and when the noodles get done, then I'll add those in and kind of mix it all together. And then I usually add a little bit of breadcrumbs on top. You can add stuffing or dressing. I guess it's stuffing. And then or you can do crackers, crushed up crackers, and then just melt some butter. You can put anything you want on top. Sometimes I even use French fried onions. But anyway, we're gonna get this all prepared, and then I'll put it in the oven for 375 degrees for about 20 minutes or so, just to make sure everything gets nice and hot and bubbly, and then it'll be time to eat. Okay, and there's the final product. Well, that's going to do it for me today. I will see you guys in the next one. Please, if you enjoyed the video, to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.